Did you straighten out the steering yet?
George.
I mean, did you like straighten out the joystick? So it's like forwards forward.
Thank you.
Yeah, it does. I have not done.
Want to bring it outside?
Yeah. You could just let it roll down the stairs.
Taking too much current again.
Drain those batteries already. Here, let's try and fix the angle on that wheel. See how it's Oh, stop. Turn on.
That was cool. Yeah. I wasn't even pressing the controls.
One saber tooth down! Like, what happened?
We just drew too much current through it. Fried it. It caught on fire. Alright, wheel it back inside, boys.
Good thing it was outside.